Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to fix guided access not working on iPhone without wasting any time. Let's start this video. Solution number 1, update iOS version. Firstly, tap on Setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on General, tap on Software Update. If update is pending, download and install the update and problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying the solution number 2. Solution number 2 is enable your guided access. Tap on Setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on Accessibility. Scroll up, tap on Guided access. You can see appears on screen. Guided access. Guided access keeps the iPhone in a single app and allows you to control which features are available. To start guided access, triple click the home button in the app you want to use. Tap on guided access and problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying the solution number 3. Solution number 3 is restart your iPhone. Press the volume up button, press the volume down button and press the power button. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, and release the power button and wait 5-10 seconds and restarting your iPhone and problem is fixed. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying the solution number 4. Solution number 4 is reset all settings. Tap on Setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on General. Scroll up, tap on Transfer Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset setting. Tap on Reset all settings. Enter your iPhone passcode. You can see appears on screen. Reset all settings. This will reset all settings and your Apple Pay, cards, keys and passes will be removed. No data or media will be deleted. Tap on Reset all settings to confirm this action and problem is fixed. If solution number 4 is not working, now applying this solution number 5. Solution number 5 is reset network setting. Firstly, tap on Setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on General. Scroll up, tap on Transfer Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset setting. Tap on Reset network settings. Enter your iPhone passcode. You can see appears on screen. Reset network settings. This will delete all network settings, returning them to factory defaults. Tap on Reset network settings to confirm this action and problem is fixed. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, simply contact support.apple.com and fix your problem. How to fix guided access not working on iPhone is successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.